Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best choking device is probably one of the most important safety investments you can make for your curious toddler or preschooler. These ingenious devices are designed to prevent choking hazards during mealtimes and playtime, offering parents peace of mind knowing that they have taken proactive steps to protect their little ones from potential choking incidents that could have life-threatening consequences. Number 5. LifeVac Home Kit. Introducing the LifeVac Home Kit, your family's new essential first aid companion. It's a simple yet powerful tool designed to help in airway obstruction emergencies for both adults and children. The kit includes one LifeVac suction device, one pediatric mask, one adult mask, a practice mask, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. Worried about choking? LifeVac is a patented, non-invasive suction device that can be a lifesaver. Be prepared to protect yourself and your loved ones with this essential tool. It's designed for simplicity. Even if you're alone, you can use it on yourself. Special air vents maximize suction power, and the ergonomic plunger fits both adults and children perfectly. This kit is for everyone. It's safe and effective, with minimal suction time. It's a valuable addition to any first aid kit, providing peace of mind in emergencies. LifeVac itself never expires, ensuring you're always prepared. Just remember to check and replace the masks every 2 to 3 years for optimal performance. What we like? It's compact and user-friendly, perfect for any household. If you want a device that's simple to operate in a crisis, this is it. This all-in-one kit is suitable for both children and adults, ensuring everyone in your family is protected. What people say. The LifeVac Home Kit is a life-saving device that's excellent for both kids and adults in emergencies. It's easy to use, portable, and provides quick suction to help clear blocked airways. The product itself is well built and sturdy. I did the practice one on my leg to see how it worked and it was great. The suction was super strong and I believe that, if the need arises, would be able to use this product to save a life of a loved one. The kit comes with clear instructions, and the compact design means it can be stored easily and taken anywhere. Knowing that I have a reliable tool at hand in case of an emergency is incredibly reassuring. The suction power is impressive, and I feel confident that it can make a difference in a choking situation. Number 4. LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit. Introducing the LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit, your essential companion for peace of mind. It's compact, easy to use, and could save a life in a choking emergency. This convenient kit contains everything you need: the LifeVac suction device, pediatric and adult masks, and simple instructions. All neatly packed in a durable travel bag. It's a patented, non-invasive suction device. It's designed to quickly clear an airway obstruction, giving you the time you need to get help. This device is incredibly easy to use, even on yourself. The special vents maximize suction power, and the ergonomic design fits both adults and children. This life-saving device is available without a prescription. It's a valuable addition to any first aid kit, providing essential protection for your family. The LifeVac device itself never expires, offering lasting protection. Just remember to check and replace the masks periodically for optimal performance. What we like? This device is designed for portability and convenience. If you're always on the go, this is the perfect solution for peace of mind. The included travel bag makes it easy to keep it with you wherever you go. What people say. Gives us peace of mind as our baby is on the move and starting solids. Very portable to bring with you if needed. Its innovative design and simplicity make it easy to use, even in high-stress situations. Unlike traditional methods such as the Heimlich maneuver, the LifeVac provides a non-invasive, yet highly effective solution for clearing airway obstructions. This original tells you to pull up, but it is not necessary to get enough suction. This version will save a life without putting it at risk. Number 3. LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit. It's small enough to take anywhere. This kit includes everything you need for peace of mind, no matter where you are. Inside, you'll find one LifeVac device, one pediatric mask, one adult mask, and easy-to-follow instructions. All neatly packed in a durable travel bag. It's a non-invasive suction device that can be a lifesaver in a choking emergency. Having it on hand gives you the confidence to act quickly. It's designed for simplicity, even if you're alone. Special vents maximize suction power, and the ergonomic plunger fits both adults and children. It's safe and effective for both kids and adults. It's a valuable addition to any first aid kit, providing essential protection. It only needs replacing if used to save a life. Just remember to check and replace the masks every few years for optimal performance. This is a 2-pack, providing double the protection for your family and loved ones. Always be prepared for unexpected emergencies. What we like? Get double the protection with this 2-pack. If you need extra protection for your family or want a backup, this is the ideal choice. The travel bags make it easy to keep them readily available at home and on the go. What people say. Product showed up well packaged and 3 days before it was supposed to. Directions were easy to understand and well thought out. We haven't had to use this product, thank God, but we were able to practice with them and it was very easy. I ordered the 2-pack, which arrived in good condition. Each pack comes with 1 adult and 1 child face mask, 1 suction attachment and instructions. These are meant to be used once and then discarded, but once you have used it you go online to their website and complete their form and they will send you a new one. This is a genius intention, obviously invented by an EMT or first responder. Great tool to have if you have small children, or anyone who has a history of an esophageal structure. It could save a life. Number 2. ArixMed Choking Rescue Device. It's a terrifying situation. But with this device, you can quickly clear an obstructed airway and save a life. It's designed for both kids and adults. This non-invasive device uses suction to clear the airway. The suction time is very short, making it safe and efficient. Every second counts in a choking emergency. It comes with multiple masks for adults and children, plus a practice manual. Familiarize yourself with it now, so you're ready in a crisis. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for your backpack, car, or first aid kit. Keep it handy at home, school, or on the go. This type of device is already used in many nursing homes. It's time to make it a standard part of every first aid kit. Don't wait for an emergency. Get this device today and protect yourself and your loved ones. You'll have peace of mind knowing you're ready. What we like? It offers a gentle yet effective solution for airway obstructions. If you prefer a non-invasive approach with a short suction time, this is a great option. The practice mask ensures you're prepared for any emergency. What people say. It is a great peace of mind for me and worth every penny. It has multiple sizes for a nice fit around your mouth and nose. Safety comes first with the functionality of quality. It's super easy to use. It's super easy to use. Number 1. DCome Children's Suction Apparatus. It effectively removes liquids and foreign objects that cause difficulties for your little ones. Say goodbye to those stressful moments. This isn't some flimsy device, it's robust and reliable. Perfect for children over 12 months and weighing over 22 pounds. It comes with 2 different sizes, so you'll always have the right fit for your child's needs. No more worrying about sizing. Its lightweight design and simple operation make it easy to use and carry with you wherever you go. No complicated tubes to worry about. This is a safe and effective device, granted and authorized by U.S. Patent No. US 116333530B2. You can trust its quality and safety. It's designed for safe and effective removal of blockages, providing peace of mind for parents. It's a must-have for every parent. What we like? This device is robust and reliable, designed for effective removal of obstructions. If you need a strong and reliable device with varying sizes to suit different needs, this is the one for you. It's easy to use and carry, making it perfect for various situations. What people say. It's one of those products that you pray you never have to use. Have not used it yet but slightly tried it on myself, easily. Great that it has different sizes, it made me snort. I didn't want to suck my lungs out so I did it gently. I saw a video of a child choking and this device was used. I have small children and I always worried about them choking on something. Knowing that I have this device nearby will alleviate some stress. It has several mouth sizes to fit over the nose and mouth. It's easy to attach the mouthpiece onto the pump. It's the right size to carry around as well. I tested on myself and it had a powerful suction. It startled me because I didn't know what to expect, but the power is there. This is a well-made device and feels like close to medical grade quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.